So I got this appliance that my wife gave me to fix, and this is a chopper, is what she calls it, for chopping up all kinds of stuff, crackers, or I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so normally you put the container, put the lid, close it, and when you close it, it switches a mechanism here for it to work. So unless this lid is not there, it won't work. I mean, unless it's there, it won't work. So she's having to shove this in there. I don't know how she does. I guess it's like this. Yeah, shove it in there, and then put this lid on top like that, and then it'll work. It's actually a mechanical thing. See, it doesn't go that far unless I push this here, and then it'll go far. So it's not a electrical switch component there. It's actually just a mechanical safety there. Yeah, it's only this side that has this little lip sticking out. This one does not have that. So I'm gonna have to find a different way to get this to chooch. If I turn it into something where you flip it and it's on, it can accidentally go off and cut somebody's fingers off, and I don't want my wife's fingers to be chopped off, so we'll figure something out. So we'll open it up and see how we can extend that switching mechanism. Might be some screws behind this. Yep. There they are. I'm gonna have to find a way to pull this out. So in order to pull this out, I had to, this is actually threaded into this metal thing embedded into that plastic gear. So I'm gonna have to hold this and loosen this up here. What I'll do is I'll put this gear right here, and that's gonna keep this big gear to keep it from spinning. There you go. That was easy. There it is. Pull this out. So there it is. That's the brushed motor, and the wires going to the switch. There's more stuff over there, so I guess I have to loosen up those screws. Alright. Nope. This is our switch right here. So when you push this down, this one here pushes this into that little contact there, and it closes the circuit and makes it chooch. So when the lid is not on, it's keeping this this little pipe here to press all the way down, but when you put the lid back on, it moves out of the way and allows it to go all the way down to close that circuit. Alright, so I figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a lever, whatever it's called, attached to here, and basically I'm gonna drill a hole right here and have it attached to where it can move around, and stick make it extend out to here. So I'll stick out about 1/4 inch. So Basically, it'll be an extension to that. When you press it, it's gonna move this back and allow it to activate the switch, and it'll require two hands, this one and this one, to run it, so that way it won't be any accidental engaging on that. I mean, it'll still have a safety, so you have to use two fingers for that. So I'll put something there sticking out this way, and the only way to operate the machine will be pressing that first and then the pulse button there, and that will make it a lot, well, definitely safer than removing this completely altogether. So that way, if you're reaching in there to put or take something out, you don't close the circuit and cut your finger off. I cut this the way I want it and bend it. Okay. Alright. Alright. I changed my mind. I'll put the button right here. So when I push this way, it'll open that up. You know, it'll work better. Nope. Beautiful. I will have to put a hole right in here. Same diameter as that. So we'll go ahead and put that hole in there first. Match up the springs. No chooch, chooch, no chooch, chooch. Should be able to put it like that. Oh, great. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So this should be a better way to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and put her back together. Put the little thingy back on here. It tightens up counterclockwise. Go figure. You gotta put the button in here. So let's see how much it takes to set off this switch. Put it about right here. There we go. Oh yeah. Now I have to glue it. So I'm gonna use some glue stick here. Trick I learned, throw some of this cold stuff in there. How's that hot glue solidify quicker? Up in there. Gotta press it there. good thing it's actually kind of hidden here. And yeah, really get your finger there. So it would be really hard to get this pressed accidentally. So. Cool. Well, there it is. There you have it. Fixed. Alright, check it out. Try it out.
Press this.
Yeah, press that one.
Nice.
Does that make things easier?
Yes. Oh, that's awesome. This locks until you push it. Looks like it works to me.
Alright, that's a win. Can you watch that? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hi, this is, okay, never mind. I'm not